what we're going to do is mix our water and our washer concentrate for our reservoir. We're then going to pop the bonnet. No, I've already done that, but we're going to pop the bonnet. And then we're going to locate our reservoir. We're going to pour in our water and washer concentrate mix into the reservoir. We're going to close her all up and just double check that she's working all well and good. So what we will do now is I've got my clean water. I've got rainwater tapped out here, so I've got clean water. Now I do a lot of dirt driving, highway driving, so I am using Bug Off windscreen wiper cleaner because I have a lot of bugs and there's a lot of bugs out in the outback, so I'd prefer to just use that. So all I'm doing is just adding a dash, and there you go. That's our first step done.
Dreadlocks.